what the business is. Hey, this Pursuit of Freedom over here, Clarence is the narrator of the YouTube channel. This market has been struggling, man, and frustrating to even watch. I haven't made a paper trade yet today. I guess I'm slipping on my old habits because they becoming old habits with this market, man. This market been delaying. This is a true penny stock, man. And I've been sitting on trades like this. I don't know why. And I honestly spotted this first pullback from 34 to 30. Missed that. It has some up and down choppiness action. I tried to get executed at 37 in this candle here at about 9:56, but it blew up, got up above 40. So I felt like I didn't want to chase. I wait for the next pullback. This red line was my stop out. Once I got in, I originally had my stop out honestly down here at about 39 cents, the low of this candle, the same candle where I bought in at. So I ended up buying in this RVLT at 10.02, right about 41 cents, halfway up. And I'm anticipating this thing. I move my sell line up here to and making my resistance. I'm anticipating getting in at 41 for the break above 50. Got my education up here. You know what I mean? I got to do some homework. What's wrong with this? This ain't coming up right. Right? Oh, I just slid it over. Okay. So this is RVLT. I'm in at 41 cents, out at 45 cents. I left 5 cents on the table. I got to be honest about it. Percentage as of 44 cents. 140% changed on the day. With E-Trade just telling you that that's the overall that's the overall change for the particular stock on the day. My overall change is only 6%. And that was as of 44 cents right here. Let me scroll up some. That's as of 44 cents right there. And the only thing that was really causing this thing to run was this news that came out at 9:22 in the a.m. This is my E-Trade account. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. I mean, I traded a tad bit bigger volume. On the day just to try to make some small pennies worth a little bit more. And this is what I already have known for a while. It takes more money to make money. But, you know what I mean? I've been wanting to try to trade from the depths, from the lows of lows, to try to show people how they can come up out of these slumps, right? So I'm in this thing, in this hammer candle, pin bar candle. You know, they got several names, but in this candle right here, I look for these candles all the time. I'm gonna go ahead on and make that big, minimize that. Run back my music because there's plenty. Know what I'm saying? So I'm in on this candle. I'm gonna slide out my daily chart. You see this fat green candle right here. So this thing is hot. It's up 130 something percent on the day. I missed the majority of the gains. I'm playing the game between 41 and 50 cents. You know what I'm saying? And I see that it is halting right here at my 100-day moving average. It reached all the way up, blew through the 50, came up and touched the 100, and it's starting to pull back. You ain't got to be a masterful trader, but you do have to lock in gains when you got them. I didn't get filled at 47, pissed off because I had several chances. This thing just pegged right back and forth between 47, just watching on the minute chart while I was in the stock or I was in the trade. So I'm long here at 10.02. I ended up selling over here as this thing scraped down, got back to 42. I had to ride out some pain. These 2 minutes right here at about 37 cents was painful. because with 3,500 shares, each penny is worth $35. So you take, you know what I'm saying? I already did some math over here. My gain is $129. Where is that? I lost it. Okay, so I'm looking at the wrong screen. They executed me 2 times on my sell order to get out at 45 because I seen that it had bounced back to 45, but I just said, fuck it, I'm going to lock in the gain. Something is better than nothing, even if I just locked in $69 or $60. It was only in a matter of a few minutes anyway. So according to at 44 cents, I was up 6.9%. So at 45, I'm up a little bit better than that. That actually comes out to be 9%. And to calculate that, I just take the money that was spent and I times that by 8% to get the number or something close to the number that I gained. So you take the number that was spent, I'm going to times that by 0.09 to see if it's close to $129 and basically a 9% profit on $1,439.95. And what do you know? 129 and 59 cents. So I gained better than 9% in a matter of from this candle to this candle right here. I rolled this painfulness right here, and I should have got out at 46 because I'm seeing a high of 50, a lower high of 47, a lower high of 46. It pulled down to 42, and I'm like, oh shit. I about pissed on myself down here at 37 because I don't want to take a loss. It got up here to 45 again. I said I'm going to get out because right now it ain't pushing higher. The market has been sluggish, like it's being beat up by these tariffs anyway. These tariffs are mollywopping the market. Mollywopping the market. I probably done been talking too long already. I'm 7 minutes in. So from 10:02 to this candle right here, 10:17, in 15 minutes, I'm up. It's not even an hour into the market. I waited and I missed all of this run up. You don't have to catch all of the movement. If I would have caught that 118%, my account would be double right now. And that would be lovely. But that's not the case for today. That might be the case for tomorrow. But I highly doubt that in the market that I'm trading in right now. Let's take a look at the market. I always try to look at the market. And I'm going to feed you a little bit more information, just some thoughts and concepts, some ideas, some entertainment. Just entertain these thoughts. It's food for thought. But look at your market. I like to look at the Wilshire 5000 all the way to my far right because this represents the total market index. As a matter of fact, I haven't done this on this one yet. Okay, so I got the Wilshire 5000 now. I'm just editing this. I want to make my the symbol mark, my grid lines. Let's pop them all out a little bit. The S&P 500. That way I can stop saying it in these videos. So TC2000 software is truly amongst the best. I did highly like the stock to trade. I just thought that it was too expensive for a person that ain't really got much capital. And TC2000 works fine. It doesn't have the level 2. Stocks to Trade has the level 2. Stocks to Trade has the better scanners. Stocks to Trade has live Twitter feed. You get what you pay for. This is broke man trading over here, trading on a budget, baby. You know what I mean? Ain't got the money like that to be throwing away $170 something a month in good stocks to trade software. But I like TC2000. So, like I said before, right now it's looking like the stock market want to try to bounce off this support level from back in March, and the Dow was doing the same thing. Support level that was, originally late February. You know what I mean? March is after it fell, then broke that high and set the new all-time high. But the market is turned over. and we pulling back. And I'm still expecting some more pullback. I've seen the Dow today as high as 129 right now. Looking at my TV, the Dow is $79 higher, and the Dow is $79 higher as of right here. So the market has been pulling back, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? Let's come down here. 5,000 companies, though, are being bought higher to the tune of 0.5%. I also threw up me a Vanguard channel, and I'm in the process of adding all my moving averages to it. It's fairly easy to do with TC2000. I type in my MOV. I like exponentials. I put 6 averages on my charts, so I'll finish that later. But I got a whole Vanguard list. You know, I love being able to create my own list. The market is moving slower, so I'm looking to just, park some money in some of these slow growth. Every now and then, I am going to take trades like I did today. You know what I'm saying? 15, 20 minutes, $129. $10 paid in commission, so it's $139, $140. Could have been several, probably a little bit over $100 more than that if I could have got out at 50. But the greed monster lurks in small accounts. I wasn't thinking to get out at 50. That's 9 cents, but 9 cents instead of 5 cents would be almost double the gain that I did have. But I'm good regardless. A gain is a gain. I got homework up here to do. I don't mind, making an additional $129 in 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? This is Pursuit of Freedom, man. This is what can happen. That's the power of 4 cents. The power of 4 cents. The power of 4 cents and a hot stock chart, and beginning to know what you're looking at. But in all honesty, though, man, this is a case of today where this chart, this stock, RV Revolution Lighting Technology sector, electronic components. Where I'm at now? All right, I'm at 12 minutes. Finna get ready to shut up. So, all right. So basically, they price is too cheap. This is a Nasaq company, so they got to get their price above $1. They're getting a little bit of extension. I didn't even really do all of the reading on this to try to figure out what's going on. I like E-Trade. E-Trade gives you a bunch of information on the company. About Revolution Technologies, leader in design, manufacturing, marketing, and sale of LED lighting solutions, focusing on industrial, commercial, and government markets in the United States, Canada, and internationally. Through advanced LED technologies, Revolution Lighting has created an innovative lighting company that offers a comprehensive, advanced product platform of high-quality interior and exterior LED lamps and fixtures, including signage and control systems, LED lighting and lighting fixtures. A global provider of advanced LED lighting and lighting fixtures. They received a letter from the Nasaq hearings informing the panel the company can stay the suspension of the current securities from Nasaq. So pending determination from the panel regarding whatever. So they're getting close to losing their listing on the Nasaq. So I guess they got an extension or something. Either way it goes, that was enough news for this thing to jump 100%. And it's looking like it might want to try to push back. I might be able to execute a trade. I should have bought this bounce off the VWAP, that bounce off the VWAP, or I could have waited a little bit longer than I did because I got in right there at 10:02. Oh, I done messed it up. And I could have took a little bit more of a gain at 47 cents, but I'm seeing lower highs, which is an ominous sign. Like right now, we got a lower high now of 44, but it's 1 cent at a time working its way down. So I got out at 45. I didn't want to take any more chances of this thing falling off as the market sells back off, because I am expecting that we're going to be moving back some more. I locked in the game for the day. That's all she wrote. Hey, it's more to come. I trade seldomly at this point. I'm trying to do so much. This is Pursuit of Freedom.